tourists. And we're going to... Where are we going?
Secret.
Abuan! Tingnan ba?
Palawan.
We're going to Coron. This is Cebu Airport. And the rest of the gangs are here. First meal in the lounge, noodle soup with this view. Second meal, penny and calamansi with this view. Ay, dyan pala kayo. Ay na! Aki!
Naunahan natin.
Local kano.
Local foreigner. So he's our captain this afternoon. Inland, not in air. So we're going first to the town proper of Coron, like souvenir shop. So that's the first stop po natin.
Okay.
And then we have also the Luwalhati Park. So Luwalhati Park, it means it's seawater before. So they reclaim po the whole area there. Like NOAA in Manila po.
Parang hindi ko ito nakita.
Yes,
This is new?
Yes po, the third hotel of West Town po.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The first one is the Coron West Town Resort. The second one is the Lagoon. And then the third one.
Maganda din nata yun, ay dagat.
Sorry.
So after Luwalhati Park, we have also the Catholic Church, St. Augustine Parish po. And then hiking or trekking to Mount Tapyas. So in our front po, that mountain with the cross on the top,
Oh, wow.
that is the Mount Tapyas, but it has 724
Steps. Good luck to us.
So for those who
How
are
many minutes going up?
it's a maximum of 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah. So
It depends. It depends who's walking.
Yes.
But for us, it would take us an hour.
So after Mount Tapyas, the next is the cashew nut store. So cashew nuts is one of our delicacy here po. But we don't have plantation po. Yeah. So every barangay is the collection of the seeds lang po. Yeah, so we have 23 barangays here in Coron. So every summer, the season of the cashew.
Is this not the season? No. What's the month for this?
Some are December up to May
Ah.
or June.
Gusto ta kumutan na unsay porma og kasoy.
But you can buy cashew here. Then after the cashew nut store, the Maquinit hot spring.
That was the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, we're going back to your hotel.
Okay.
Can you take us somewhere to eat dinner?
Ah, yes, this one. Yeah.
We're now going
So,
shopping.
kasi wala po bagong cashew. Dahil wala po sila.
I want rambutan.
Ma'am, masarap yan, ma'am. Hindi mo binabalik-balikan dito ng mga guest namin, ma'am eh. Hindi na matalis, ma'am.
Yes,
Masarap
po.
po.
Pwede bila ka na toner.
I promise I really tried to keep you away from my mind. And I tell you this ain't no lie, but I've done my best to find someone new to give all my time. But all I wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside. I need to stop reminiscing. I still wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. Just stop reminiscing. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I still know you inside out. That is why you call me in the night. Oh, and these days when I'm not around, you've done your best to find someone new to give all your time. But all you wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside. I need to stop reminiscing. I still wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel.
Kaya mo yun si Nar? It's our turn?
Yes po.
Halika na!
Camera lang po.
Ay!
Oh my gosh, ang layo.
Manang, smile! Ba, smile! Eight! Nikki! Pam! Picture, picture. Si ma'am.
So this is St. Augustine Church.
Yeah, lapit na po ang pista namin.
Nice. August 27.
Yes.
Steps 740.
740. 724 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now stop and enjoy the scenery.
The sleeping giant.
Yan ang ulo niya?
Yun o, yung maliit.
May kay manghina na ako yung site. Ayan. Ready?
Ayan, malapit na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Finally. Pa. 1, 2.
Ayan, konti na lang.
Wow. Si Mami last. Ay, si Manang. Hoy, si Manang.
Ah, nice.
Oh my God. Oh, finally. Oh, picture, picture.
Ano ito? Masayaw man ang correct.
Yeah. Ay, ano sila? Hindi sila close.
Hindi kayo close?
Hindi kayo close?
My signal.
Coron! Oh my gosh, look! The rain is coming!
Iwas yata eh.
Kaya pakuha na rin. Nice. Lamig po makakita kag laing view, no? Ara, nagbata na oh. The Sleeping Giants Mountain. That's the Sleeping Giant. We're now here in, what's this? Maquinit. Ano pangalan?
Maquinit.
Natural soap.
Okay lang.
Maquinit hot spring.
Kaya dito lang. Dito lang oh. Okay. Ah.
Pero 10 minutes?
5 to 10 minutes ahon.
Pahinga po mga 2 minutes bago.
Ayaw.
Hi, say hi, Papi. Hey, hi. Hey, hi. Uy, na ba? Wow. Ano pala ba to? Drenched?
Say hi.
Ako ba yung muna kasi wala ng battery?
It's a lot more than it used to. It used to be. I think it's pretty because I can taste very true glass bottle coat, plastic bottle coat.
To end our tour today. Maybe not yummy. Ang pinaka-yummy. Oh my God! Pahurot na? Oh no! Chili ate! Nakainomdom ko sa atong dumagete.